Sorry, excuse me. Alright. Let's never just charge my phone. Old habits. Right. 2 things I'm gonna need. Pot. Carving board / basket. And the only ingredients I'm gonna use right now. Frozen Brussels sprouts. I don't care.
I don't like Brussels sprouts. They taste gross.
I don't care what you think. Brussels sprouts are the best. But great timing for the season. Spring onions, green onions, whatever you call it. And you might recognize these noodles. I don't know if you recognize them or not. They're very good, yes.
Is that vegan?
Yeah, yeah, mushrooms on there, and I'm counting that as vegan. I'm not gonna cook that big. I'm hopefully gonna cook very little. What I'm gonna do is just boil some hot water. That should be enough. Still new to this. Just turn it, wait. Hey, let's pour some water. Well, wait, I think I'm just gonna cut some spring onions. Not a lot though. You like spring onions? You don't like any veg. What the hell? Okay. You really don't like greens.
I like okra,
Oh, okay, that's green. Is that it?
spinach.
Oh, I like spinach too. I was just about to say. Still having a hard time eating fresh mushrooms. That's why I cooked them first.
I don't like boiling mushrooms.
Actually, I never tried boiled mushroom. Not that I remember. Maybe in certain restaurants, but they're still good. You still replaceable for meat. Always wash your hands before you cook. Alright. I don't know why, but I'm always having a hard time cutting out green onions. That should be enough. Like I said, it's not that really big. Minimize it. Minimize that shit. Maybe a bit more. That should be fine. I try so hard just to cut like this, but I really don't want to cut my fingers. You got first aid, right? Be prepared. This is a pro stunt professional right there.
I can cut yourself often.
I think you remember last time I came here when I cut myself. We won't talk of that. No way, that was in the past. Still have the scar that makes me look like a badass. We're still waiting for the hot water to hot. You know what? I got time to go to the toilet and do a whisk. I just have my whisk. It burns. I'm joking. Ooh.
T-shirt.
Yes, look at my t-shirt. Got this yesterday.
It's going
Oh, yes, thank you. Right, a little bit of Brussels sprouts, which I will force you to eat. Yes, you will. You will eat them. Look at them splash. You're gonna eat them hard.
I'm gonna go.
I just realized I have to go black fluff on my new t-shirt. Oh, yay! Oh, my new hoodie ruined my new t-shirt. Oh my god, it works like magic. Oh, what the fuck is this technology? Oh, what the? Oh, wait, really? Really? Oh, shit. Oh, you fucking shit. What the? Can you get my back? Get my back. Yeah, right there. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh! Oh, it's actually ticklish. Oh my gosh. I actually need to work out more just to avoid my ticklish. Alright, sorry. Are you gonna do this? Are you gonna do this the entire time? If you missed it, I just put spring onions on it. I just wish I had. Ooh, that's soaked. Is that it? Yes! Still an awesome technology. Oh, technology. Shit, there was an opening here? Oh man. I honestly don't want to rip it all. Just a little pinch. Honestly, you really don't need salt. We're going to put the noodles and the flavor packaging all together. So let's do just that. Now let's put them all together. Oh, wait. Yeah, I want to hear bubble. Say when. Right. We'll just leave it for a couple of minutes. We'll put one of my favorite ingredients on it whilst it gets soft. Can't tell for sure if it's healthy or not, but like this is just me just being lazy. I had a hard day at work. You have a chopsticks, right? Yes! I left my chopsticks at home. We're gonna bring one of my favorite ingredients. I wouldn't say it's secret. Actually, you know what? Let's use this. Tofu! Oh my gosh, yes, I just forgot about that. Yes, we need protein. Let's cut it off quickly. I just hope it doesn't look moldy or something like that. Actually, no, it doesn't. What the fuck? Your knife is dangerous, yo. Yeah, let's go crazy on it. Yeah, I'm gonna chop it up first. You can't just put the whole tofu without chopping it up. Let's chop it up. Yeah. Tofu is the shit. Smoked tofu is pretty much the same. It's just the smell, the flavor. It's just, you know. Don't worry. Just dunk it right in. Actually, you want to try some?
Just eat it as it is?
Yeah, why not? Spit out, spit out. Yeah, definitely boiled. Actually, this is not the reason why I use the chopstick. It's from one of my favorite ingredients. Chopped garlic. They're really good. I think I used chopped garlic for my last cooking. Did I? No, I didn't. Look at that smell. Yeah, I don't know why I said that. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Okay, you know what? The chopsticks? Oh, I should make it awesome, right? But technically, certain professional can do that. We're just gonna take about this amount. Just spread it out in there. You know what? One is never enough. Alright, we'll just let it boil for a couple of minutes. Give it about less than 4 minutes. My favorite right here. I do have sparkling water that I bought yesterday. I prefer sparkling water than fresh water. You've been down in like fresh water. Anyways. Alright. Put this back in the freezer. Recycle. Trash. Storage. Yeah, I can definitely be careful. I got a lot of greens, well not greens, I got cherry tomatoes, but trust me, you're gonna see me with a lot of healthy shit. Frozen storage. My sweet corn, and now my Brussels sprouts, which you probably might have on Christmas. I need to check your photos on Instagram. I'm actually quite curious. You know what? We're good to go. You know what? Should I eat the tofu or the sprout? Tofu sprout, tofu sprout. Leave your comments below what you prefer, tofu or sprout. Obviously the sprouts. First bite. Hot, hot, delicious, delicious. Oh yeah, you guys are missing out something. It actually tastes good though. You just had to keep the sprouts and the tofu inside the bowl while it's still flavored. Stupid vegan lifestyle. I mean, people think it's stupid, but stupid is, stupid does, so. Stupidly delicious. Let's put it in our bowl. Oh, yes, that's actually cute. Oh my gosh, get out of the way, out of the way, out of the way. Your older noodles, I contain the soup. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at it. Oh.
Nice.
It actually does look good. Just gonna mix it up a bit. Mix a little bit. Mix a little bit. Oh my gosh. I want it now. Let's see if I can put the tofu in the sprout. Yeah, no, I come to walk. Just get a little bit of noodles in. I dropped the tofu. Oh my god. Go ahead. Xiao, would you like the first bite? I'm so good. I should have bought them. Yeah? What?
What the heck? I actually like this one.
Bruh! Talking for a woman who doesn't like Brussels sprout. We're both having that shit. You know what? It's on mine. You know? Please, be my guest. Come on. Let me take a picture. I don't normally take picture. Actually, I do take picture of my food. Oh shit, like that. I'll get both of us a glass. There you go. You're welcome, xiao. Yo, treat it like a. Dig in. Chopped onions and instant noodles for everything, and chopped garlic. I literally followed the same ingredients that is showed on the YouTube channel. Right. I'm gonna eat everything. Bye.